Look at this unit, man. A little bit of noise. She fired up. Just connect the battery and came to life. Get her out, see what's wrong. Get ready for the end of May. Woo! She got a little squirrely. So she heavily pulls to the right when she stops. Hey, we done messed up. We hooked the battery up and forgot to put the pins. Oh my god. Woo! How was that?
It wasn't the first time that's happened.
Oh boy. That is real unfortunate. Oh, we're getting her straightened back up. Stop on the front. They won't make me take it out now, will they?
I think you should message them and find out. Just be sure.
Yeah, I'll be sure. Because I could just cut the window out of Josh's and use it. Well, my car is ready to rip. I just need some tires on her. Some summer tires do her some good. Bled the brakes again. Jason's out there ripping. What about your car?
Just gotta put the parts on. Take it all off, put them on.
Oh, let's get ripping. Gotta replace the axle and the spindle.
Inner tie rod.
Nice. That's it. It's pretty much a fresh car still.
Yeah.
How many laps did? Do you remember how many laps it did?
I think it's like 17.
17 till all that broke. Get her fixed up and get her working.
Yeah, you gotta get the man side. Yeah.
Oh, freak yeah. Who needs to remove the cotter pin? Just put the walk on old 3. Nice.
The ball joint might need changed.
Yeah, I'd say so. I guess you will have to end up buying one. R.I.P. So you want to do a reenactment of what happened when you took the spindle off? So yeah, that ball joint needs replaced.
Mint.
It literally just fell right out as soon as he took the spindle off.
Mint condition.
So the old rivets gotta come out. That freaking sucks. Good thing we got cutoff wheels. Grinding wheels.
Shank that CV axle out of the way first.
So how much was this CV axle puller on eBay?
One jack handle, one strap.
Yeehaw! Giddy up!
Need more weight behind it. Yeah.
Oh, gee. Yeah, she came out right out.
Yeah, not the whole thing though.
No?
No.
Oh, no. It's still in, the stub's still in the freaking trans.
Yeah, sometimes it happens.
R.I.P. Now what? What the hell?
Just gonna get in there with a screwdriver. That's why I brought all these screwdrivers out.
Man. Oh, man, that was good.
That was a lot easier than all that dumb shit tugging we did for fucking nothing.
Yeah. Should have started off with that. Oh, boy.
Tugged like a bunch of retards, so I didn't have to get underneath there.
Just for 10 seconds. All right. Is she leaking a little diff fluid?
No.
Oh, you can't tell, but the whole back is wet. The whole back.
It's fine.
She good enough. Like, you can probably tell from the bottom in the back. Like, you can see a different color.
Yeah. Wonder where the check plug's at.
I see it right... I'm pretty sure I see it right back here. Slither under there like a snake. Yeah, if you can get your hand on the back of it, big flat part. Right, yep. Pretty sure that might be her.
Yeah, there's something to do when it's on ramps.
Yeah. Alright, so we could not get that freaking end off for the steering link. So I got this little socket here. I'm going to weld it to that so we can just impact it right off. Ching. Alright, I got a little bit on there. See if it works. Oh. Whoops, sorry. We weren't even looking at it. I got a little bit weld on there. See if it freaking works. Dang. Yeah, that's off. Sweet. Just weld a old socket to it. A little Harvey freight for the win again. Well, we're about 1 week away from Crash Rama. Jason was over today. Didn't get any video of it, but we were working on his car. Got the cage pretty much almost all the way installed. A couple hood vents. Just have to do that plate down there. Weld that up. Window net. Get chains for the doors. Get a chain for the hood. Oh, door bar, which we have already cut and smashed. That bar right here. Put that on the door on the outside. And his seatbelt's already in there. Some padding for the door. And it just might be it. Got the skids on it. They fit off of Josh's car. So, skids fit perfectly yesterday. He was ripping around. Kurt got the Trump mobile all ready to go. Mine, I welded my window net back in. Put my fin on the top today. Put a little gas in it. And that's it. Kurt put some oil in his car. Got new front tires. I got new front tires too. Doesn't look like it. And got the Hell Yeah Brothers. This might just be the last Crash Rama update. Well, there is Friday we're going to be working, but I think I'll finish this up and post all the videos, and that's it.